Should be recording right now. This is the new W10 pen, and one of the things that hopefully you can see this all right. I tried to kind of arrange the mirror in such a way so that you could see it in my pocket here. I'll step back a little bit so maybe you can see that, but it'll be much harder to see the lens of it as I move closer, and it goes farther down, and farther back I go back, that it's hard to see it as well. So basically, I kind of tricked you. I started off with a video with this lens cover on. We're going to take that off, and you can see everything brightens up quite a bit. This is the new pen. And as you can see, it's quite a bit more sleek, thinner than the W8, which I thought was pretty amazing as is. The button on the top is lower profile, so it doesn't tempt people to try to push the button to get the ink out, which it is a writing pen, so you can write with it. And this is what it comes with. You get extra ink cartridges, you get the instruction manual, which is actually pretty clear, not broken English, a pretty long charging cable, and then you also have a card reader, which is not really necessary in that you could just use the USB to transfer the information with. It is working for charging the pen as well as transferring data. But anyways, here is the pen, and everything about it I like. I like the video, I like the audio, I like that this comes off pretty easily instead of sticking. Although I would still suggest maybe putting some either some gun oil if you have some WD-40. I don't like using WD-40 as much, but Vaseline will work as well. Just putting a little bit on the inside of that, it will glide like butter. But yeah, this is the new W10 pen. You can barely see the lens right there, and it can handle lower light but does not have night vision. The processor speed is pretty fast though. And that is it.